lights and no sirens, all emergencies over. The motorcade passes with the heroes who fell, and all on the street stop in silence bear witness. Such sorrow and thanks no mere words can tell. Whoe'er can forget the grey ash-covered engines coming back from the alarm like no other before. Such pain for survivors to embrace all the families of comrades so loved now on that distant shore. Chief Downey, Father Mike, First Deputy Fian, Peter Gansey, and many too many to tell. Your memories will honor, we never will forget you. You brought hope to the horror when the two towers fell. Remember Tim Stackpole, how he prayed in the wreckage, that terrible fire that took two of his friends. So horribly injured he fought to recover, to return to his ladder, to die with his men. So now to acknowledge just one of the many, Engine 33, Ladder Company 9. There's 10 empty places around their table, 10 fallen brothers who fell on the line. Remember Ken Pfeiffer, Michael Boyle, and Keith Maynard, Jeff Waltz, Brian Littleshire, Robert King, Dave R.C., Gerard Baptiste, Robert Evans, John Tierney. 10 lost out of 40 in one company. Though we mourn them, they're still on the job now. Though they have fallen, they're still standing tall. Their spirit will bolster their sisters and brothers. Their unseen presence will answer each call. So tell all your children to tell all their children, ne'er pass a firehouse without a brief pause, and thank all the heroes who work on those engines. Each day they risk all in humanity's cause. Flashing lights and no sirens, all emergencies over. The motorcade passes with the heroes who fell, and all on the street stop in silence bear witness. Such sorrow and thanks no mere words can tell.